Hello, my friends. Today I'm going to teach you how to complete the photo shoot guided activity in this week's lesson. So, we're going to be using warm and cool colors and two apps on your iPad. We're going to be using the camera app and the Photos app. So, I'm going to open up the camera app so you can see what I'm seeing. I want you to go around your house and find some objects that are warm colors or cool colors. They can be anything you want. I would suggest try to keep them as small as you can. Don't get like really large things. It makes it a little bit easier if they're smaller. So pick one or the other. Warm colors, again, is red, yellow, and orange. And cool colors are blue, green, and purple. I would say try to get at least 3 objects, but you can get a little bit more just like I did, and they could be anything you want. So once you've selected your colors, then you're going to set up a little photo booth. So I think the best photo booth that we all have hanging around our house is just a corner somewhere in your house. Makes a nice little backdrop for your photo session. So I'm going to just put this down for now. And I'm going to use the cool colors today in my activity. So set them up in a way that you think is interesting. I'm going to put the big stuff in the back. That way it doesn't block any of the small stuff. And I'm going to try to fan all of these markers and pencils out to make it kind of look like they're coming out from the corner. And then get my cat's toy right here in the middle. So once you have your photo set up, then it's time to take a picture. So you can turn your camera any which way you want. It can go this way or it can go this way. Either way, once you have everything ready to go, then you're going to take a picture by pressing that big white button on the right side of your screen. I'm going to press that. There we go. Okay, so now that I took my picture, I'm going to go into my Photos app. I'm going to do a little editing, kind of like I did on this one. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to, but you can if you want to kind of spice things up a little bit. So this is a picture I just took. If you tap your screen once, a whole bunch of different things come up here at the top. I'm going to press this button up here in the corner that says Edit. And then over here in the corner, we have a whole bunch of different things we can use. The first one I'm going to press is this kind of square with the lines going in 2 directions. If I press that, I'm going to be able to crop. That's a word we use. My photo. That means just get all the unnecessary stuff out of it. So get the corner of the door out of there. And then I'm just going to make it a little bit thinner like this. Perfect. All right, and then we can kind of change the colors up too. If we go to this one with the 3 circles in it right below, we press that, you can see it puts some filters, vivid, vivid warm, vivid cool, to change the colors of your picture up just a little bit. So since I used cool colors, I'm going to use a cool color filter. I think I'll use the dramatic cool. You don't have to use any of these filters if you don't want to. You can just use your original photo, but I think I'm just going to use the dramatic cool. So once you have finished editing your picture, you can press the yellow done button. That will save your photo, and in the next video, I'll teach you how to upload to Seesaw.